Let's face it, we know that we have so much to do, but we just have zero motivations to do it.
The long-term strategy is probably like actually setting your mind to more discipline. But in today's video, I wanted to focusing on the short-term ways that you can do to help you to focus on the projects that you have to tackle. The first thing that I would do is actually taking a walk. Taking a walk or taking some sort of exercise is gonna warm your body up, which leads you to help you to focus after you get that walk done. Pick one small task and put a timer on it. Once you have that one task that you have to tackle, it gets easier than just having multiple different tasks in your mind that you have to accomplish throughout the day. The next thing that you're going to do is actually thinking that you are not going to make everything perfect. If you're thinking about writing an essay, just start writing. Just start free writing about your ideas, because the thinking of you're not going to write the perfect essay, it's gonna give you the momentum of start writing. Doing something, it's always better than doing nothing.